Are you frustrating as you have worked hard to monetize your YouTube channel but not successful at all? Here are top 10 steps you can follow to earn money easily on YouTube channel. How to earn in YouTube by creating videos using AI technology. To earn money on YouTube by creating videos using AI technology, you can follow these steps. Choose a niche. Identify a specific niche or topic that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will help you establish a targeted audience and differentiate yourself from other creators. Research AI tools. Explore various AI tools and technologies that can enhance your video creation process. These tools could include video editing software with AI capabilities, automated voiceover generators, or AI-powered graphics and effects. Create high-quality content. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content for your audience. Use AI technology to enhance the production quality of your videos. For example, you can use AI-based video editing tools to streamline your editing process or leverage AI-generated voiceovers for professional narration. Optimize video metadata. Ensure your video titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized for search engines and viewers. Research keywords related to your niche and incorporate them strategically into your metadata to improve the discoverability of your videos. Build a strong brand. Develop a unique and recognizable brand identity for your channel. This includes designing a visually appealing channel art, creating a memorable logo, and maintaining a consistent style across your videos. Promote your videos. Utilize social media platforms, forums, and relevant online communities to promote your videos. Engage with your target audience, share valuable insights, and provide a sneak peek into your AI video creation process to generate interest. Monetization options. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, apply for YouTube's partner program. This will enable you to monetize your videos through various methods, such as ads, channel memberships, Super Chat, and YouTube Premium revenue. Sponsorships and collaborations. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorships and collaboration opportunities with brands or other creators. These partnerships can provide additional income streams beyond YouTube's monetization program. Audience engagement. Foster a strong connection with your audience by responding to comments, encouraging discussions, and incorporating viewer feedback into your content. Building an engaged community can lead to increased views, subscribers, and potential support through donations or merchandise sales. Diversify revenue streams. Explore additional ways to monetize your AI-based content. This could include creating and selling digital products or courses related to AI video creation, launching a Patreon page for exclusive content, or exploring crowdfunding platforms. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. It's essential to stay updated on AI advancements, continually improve your content, and adapt your strategies based on audience feedback and changing trends.